In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign custom fields in Trello, a powerful, flexible tool that can streamline how you organize tasks and projects. We'll walk you through the process step by step so you can customize your Trello boards to better fit your personal workflow or team needs. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to Trello. If you're already familiar with using Trello, this step should be quite straightforward. Simply open your preferred browser and enter the Trello website URL. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your preferred method. Trello offers several options for signing in, including using your Google account, Microsoft account, or simply your Trello credentials. Choose whatever works best for you and enter your login details to proceed. Once you're logged in, head over to the specific board where you want to add the custom fields. Look at the top right corner of your board. You'll notice 3 dots. This is your board menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find various board settings and features that you can adjust. Next, from that menu, find the option that says Custom Fields. Click on this option, and it will open up the Custom Fields Management interface. Custom Fields is a versatile Trello feature, allowing you to add additional layers of information to your cards, keeping your projects nuanced and well-organized. After you've accessed the Custom Fields section, you'll want to add a new custom field. To do this, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Field. Click on it to begin creating a new field on your Trello card. Following this, you're given a choice of field types. Trello offers several different types, like text, number, checkbox, date, and drop-down. Choose a field type that best suits the kind of data or information you need to capture. Once you've decided on a field type, you'll need to give it a title. This will help you identify it easily on your cards. Additionally, you might see some configuration settings, depending on the field type you chose. For example, if you selected a drop-down, you'd need to add options for the drop-down. Ensure the settings align with how you plan to use this field. After you've configured all necessary settings, the final step is to click the Create button. Your new custom field will now be available on all cards within that board. If you have more fields to add, simply repeat the process for each additional field you need. And that's it. You've successfully assigned custom fields in Trello. Remember, custom fields can greatly enhance the usability of your Trello boards, allowing for more comprehensive task management and a tailored user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!